Did you know that the right windows and doors can change your home from a drafty box into an energy-saving powerhouse? Imagine slashing your energy bills while enjoying a quieter, more comfortable living space.
Today we're diving into the world of high-performance windows and doors, specifically how double glazing and uPVC can transform your home's energy efficiency and aesthetics. Stick around and we'll show you why these upgrades are more than just a pretty face. They are an investment in your future. Have you ever thought about how much your windows and doors affect your home's comfort and energy efficiency? Hi, I'm Jessica, and we're taking a closer look at high-performance windows and doors. These aren't your regular windows and doors. They are built with advanced materials like double glazing and uPVC that help insulate your home, improve durability, and save energy.
Hey, I'm Simon, and let's talk about uPVC double glazed thermally broken windows. Here I have a sample with me, and this represents what was used on the Satella project. This technology is simple but very effective, consists of 2 panes of glass with a space between, usually filled with argon gas. This setup reduces the heat transfer so your home stays warm in winter and cool in summer. Plus it helps reduce noise pollution by up to 40 decibels thanks to the insulation between the panes.
When it comes to window and door frames, we use uPVC, and here's why. First, it's incredibly durable. uPVC frames can last up to 35 years without showing wear, and they require almost no maintenance. But that's not all. uPVC is also sustainable because it's 100% recyclable and has low embodied emissions, meaning it has a minimal environmental impact during production. Unlike aluminium or wood, uPVC doesn't rust, corrode, or get affected by moisture. That means no mold, no fungus, and no deterioration, even in coastal areas. In fact, it can withstand wind speeds of up to 200 km and handle temperatures as high as 400 degrees without warping or weakening.
All right, so just to quickly run through, we now have an opening ready for the install of the window. So I just want to run through the components and how we've actually set this up now. We've packed out our windowsill, so that's going to create a level, foundation for when our window sits on here. We have what we call a back dam. This is just a piece of plywood that will create a barrier or a stop as such to prevent any water or airflow coming in from underneath the window frame. We've now taped it onto our performance membrane, and then around the external corners of our window opening is that we have our seal tape, and that's been moulded and formed around here to create that seal. We've also corked this internal junction here, again preventing any moisture and airflow coming into our opening. And now we'll run through the installation of the window.
Together, double glazing and uPVC frames create a powerful combination for thermal insulation. The argon gas between the panes slows down the heat transfer, and the uPVC frames prevent heat from passing through, keeping your home cool in summer and warm in winter. This means you'll lose less energy for heating and cooling, and your energy bills will drop too. And because uPVC is a good insulator, it also blocks out noise, making your home quieter and more peaceful. To put this to the test, we decided to see how well this really works.
As you can hear, Even with the door closed, the sound is significantly muted. One of the best parts about uPVC is that it's not only functional, but it's also versatile in design. You can choose from a range of styles and colours to suit your home's aesthetics. Whether you want something modern or more traditional, it's flexible, durable and affordable, which makes it a great alternate to more expensive options like thermally broken aluminium. And speaking of affordability, uPVC offers excellent cost effectiveness. It's a budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on energy efficiency or sustainability. So you're getting a lot of value for your investment.
It's not just the windows. Our doors are built with the same high performance features. They have airtight sills and uPVC frames, ensuring that they are efficient and durable. So when you pair them with our double glazed thermally broken windows, you're creating a complete thermal barrier that keeps your home comfortable all year round. One of the features of these doors as well is that when you close them, by lifting the lever up, it then seals the entire perimeter of the door, creating an airtight seal to your home. And because uPVC doesn't rust or corrode, these doors will last for decades without the need for heavy maintenance. If maintenance is required, these hinges allow the doors to be adjusted for any minor movement that might happen over time.
Let's talk about some of the advanced features you'll find in Thermatech products. We use low E glazing, which is an invisible coating on the glass that helps reflect heat back into your home during winter and deflects the heat away in summer, keeping your space comfortable year round. Combined with argon gas filling that Simon showed you earlier between the window panes, this creates a powerful thermal barrier that significantly enhances energy efficiency.
Now, you might have the best windows and doors, but if they are not installed correctly, you won't get the full benefits. And that's why it's essential to work with professionals like us who understand the importance of proper installation techniques. From ensuring airtight seals to managing proper alignment, insulation, every detail matters. Proper installation maximises your energy efficiency, enhances your home's comfort and increases the lifespan of your windows and doors.
Are you ready to elevate your home's energy efficiency and comfort? At Zelena Homes, our high-performance windows and doors are just one part of a fully custom-built home, designed to offer you maximum comfort, style, and energy savings.
Don't wait any longer. Reach out to Zelena Homes for a consultation. We specialise in creating custom-built homes with the best solutions to meet your unique needs, including top-tier windows and doors.
Thanks for joining us today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on building your high-performance custom home. We'll see you in the next episode.